Yeah, attention deficit disorder in children and in adults. If there's children with attention deficit, there's lots of adults running around with attention deficit as well. It's usually the parents of the children. And a lot of it is nutritionally based. The very, very first thing that I look at is food intolerance. Because again, if there's inflammation and pH disruption in the digestive tract, then those nutrients aren't getting across. And so part of that is that the nervous system doesn't have the nutrients it needs to be able to have focus and to have attention. The other thing is that people with attention deficit have shown to have much too much sugar, and their livers genetically produce a lot of free radicals with those sugars. So there is a marker called homocysteine that you can test, and the homocysteine being high will cause free radical production in the brain, and in long periods of time can cause, in the elderly, Alzheimer's and dementias, Parkinson's disease, those types of things, because it's damaging the cells of the brain. It's not a different process, it's just what happens in youth versus what happens when you're older. So things that you can do to try and decrease or increase your focus and improve those symptoms are to decrease sugars altogether, any single chain sugars, and that also includes all refined carbohydrates, so breads and noodles, pasta, anything like that, and get your carbohydrate sources from vegetables, because there are lots of carbohydrates in vegetables. So again, having lots of vegetables with all of those minerals, lots of vitamins, there will be enough sugars so that the brain has enough food to think. Having lots of fatty acids, so high amounts of Udo's oil is a really good thing to do in attention deficit and any focus disorders or nervous system disorders at all. And also trying to get enough sleep and supporting the liver, kidney, and the digestive tract again with a product like fluorescence.